Good afternoon, children. In the part 1 lesson of No Formalities Please, we saw how the students of class 4 wrote a letter to their principal and now are waiting eagerly for the reply from her. So let's see in our part 2 lesson of No Formalities Please what happens further. Lesson 17 No Formalities Please Part 2. Mrs. Desai met the principal soon after class. Who is Mrs. Desai? Yes, the English teacher of class 4. So she goes and meets the principal. She told her about the excitement that followed the announcement of new books in the library. They just cannot wait to read all those lovely books. She beamed. Beamed means smiled with pleasure. The principal was also delighted and praised her. The credit goes to you, Mrs. Desai. Credit means praise or honor. You have created and aroused their interest in reading books. Aroused means made somebody have a particular feeling or attitude. It is going to help them a great in future. Yes, madam, said Mrs. Desai, but they find the weekly library period too short a time to read. So, my students are going to appeal to you to allow home issue of books. Appeal to make a serious or formal request. They have written to you a letter of request. So, who has informed the principal that the students of class 4 has written a letter? Mrs. Desai. She meets the principal and informs her. A letter? Why? Asked the principal in surprise. I had to teach the class how to write polite formal letters, and I took this opportunity to make them actually write a formal letter, explained Mrs. Desai. Excellent, Mrs. Desai, exclaimed the principal, and I shall not dampen their interest in reading. Dampen means to make feelings, especially of excitement or enjoyment. I shall certainly allow them to take books home for reading. So the principal is telling to Mrs. Desai that she will allow the children to take books home for reading. The next morning, the principal found the letter on her desk. She signed the letter with the remark, "Permission granted," and sent it to the librarian. Librarian means a person who is in charge of library. To encourage the children of class 4 further, the principal instructed the librarian to give a written reply to the students. And here's what he wrote. So children, let's now see the letter written by the librarian to the students of class 4. Library, Pragati Vidyalay, Vachanpur, 7 July 2014. Now children, this is the letter written by the librarian, the one who is in charge of the library, to the students of class 4. Dear children, I am delighted to know that you are so keen on reading the new books in our school library. The principal has been kind enough to grant your class permission for home issue facility. I shall keep the library open for an hour after school on all weekdays. You can come and collect any book of your choice and return it the following week. But I must urge you to read and observe the library rules displayed in the library. Do come and enjoy reading the books. Sincerely yours, Mr. Vijay Patil, librarian. So you can see here the letter written by the librarian. Let's see what happens next. Hey, great news, cried the monitor. Look, we have received a letter from the librarian. And guess what? We can take storybooks home to read. Now who announces this in the class? The monitor. Wow! Exclaimed Shruti with bright round eyes. Goodbye boredom. Welcome happy hours, shouted Akshay. The letter from the librarian was put up on the class notice board for all to read. So all the children in the class were very happy because they were allowed to take the library books home. So they displayed the letter from the librarian on the class notice board. When Mrs. Desai walked into the classroom, the students of class 4 burst out into many exclamations of thanks. So everybody started saying thank you to their teacher. Shall we write a letter of thanks to the librarian? Suggested Manuja. That's an excellent idea, said Mrs. Desai, smiling to herself at this new interest in formal letter writing. This is the letter of thanks the children wrote to the librarian. So let's see the letter written by the students to the librarian. So here is the letter written by the students. Class 4, Pragati Vidyalay, Vachanpur, 8 July 2014. To the librarian, Pragati Vidyalay, Vachanpur. Subject: an expression of thanks. Dear Sir, thank you ever so much for kindly making the home reading facility available to us. We are really very grateful that you are going to wait back for 1 hour after school just for us. We can now read books of your choice at a stretch. Thank you very much for your encouragement. We promise to abide by the library rules and handle the books with great care. Many thanks once again. Yours faithfully, students of class 4. So this is the thank you letter written by the students to the librarian. So children, let's practice our letter writing skills by writing a letter of thanks once again in our English notebook. So children, kindly be ready with your English notebook. Written work of lesson 17, No Formalities Please, part 2. So children, let's write one more letter in our English notebook. See that you write the letter very neatly without making any cancellations and in a neat handwriting. Today's date, name of the lesson, lesson 17, No Formalities Please, part 2. Question: Mr. and Mrs. Prabhune, past students of your school, have given you every kind of help to hold the exhibition. Write a letter of thanks to them. Children, note, after you write this question, take a fresh page to write the letter. Once again, children, after writing this question, take a fresh page to write the letter. So here we have the sender's address, St. Jude's High School, Tisgaon, Kalyan East 421306. This is the pin code of Kalyan East. The date, to the receiver's name, Mr. and Mrs. Prabhune. The address of the receiver, Yogeshwar Tower, Kalyan East 421306. Now children, you can write any address over here. Subject: an expression of thanks. Dear Sir and Madam, this is the salutation. The body of the letter, leave 2 finger space and start writing in a paragraph. Thank you so much for taking time and being with us during the exhibition. Your expert guidance, helpful suggestions, and constant encouragement made our exhibition a great success. The second paragraph, again leave 2 finger space. We look forward for your kind cooperation and motivation in future as well. Now we will end the letter with the subscription. Yours sincerely, the signature, students of class 4. So children, remember, you will not leave any lines in the letter and write it in a very neat handwriting in your notebook. So children, I hope you all learned how to write a formal letter from these 2 lessons. Thank you.